He knew if he put his hand on her thigh, it would only exacerbate the problems that they were having in their relationship. Welcome to another quick lesson. Today I will teach you about the word exasperate and give you some example sentences on how you can use this English vocabulary word in conversations when you're speaking English with someone. So exasperate means to make something more violent, bitter, severe, or worse. Words that are synonymous or similar in meaning would be to increase, to provoke, to inflame a situation, or to make something hot or intense. So, for an example, you might say the new gun laws only exasperate the problems in the city. Or you might say the new politician exasperates the racial tensions in the state with his decisions. So remember, exasperate means to increase trouble, provoke, worsen, or inflame a situation. What I want you to do is leave me a comment and let me know how would you use the vocabulary word exasperate in a sentence. Let me know down below and I will try to respond on another video. My name is Jay and I have plenty of videos on YouTube to help you understand and speak better English. If you would like to subscribe, please subscribe or watch some of my videos by searching Jay's Learning School. Or just use the links that are found in the description of this video. Leave me a like or give me a like, comment, and share with a friend. Subscribe and join me on my next video. And I hope you have a wonderful day.